Number 2. The wealthy have rental income. Investing in rental properties is a good way to generate wealth. However, it frequently necessitates more effort than people anticipate. In order to earn wealth from rental properties, 3 things must be determined. Number 1. What kind of return do you want on your investment? Number 2. Total costs and expenses for the property. Number 3. The financial risks associated with property ownership. For example, if your goal is to earn $10,000 in rental cash flow per year and the property has expenses for $2,000 monthly and another $300 per month for taxes and other expenses, you would have to charge $3,133 in monthly rent to meet your target. So really understand the expenses involved so that you aren't taken by surprise at the end of the year. The only surprise we want yearly is a birthday cake. So, make sure not to miss the next important key and keep accelerating your financial knowledge by clicking on the next video of this series. I'll see you over there.